Auntie, I know that you earnestly wanted me out of your way. I know. Go back to the city, oh. Go back to the city and continue shouting, Francis, you are killing me, oh. You are killing me, oh. Just go.
Amaka, it was my decision for you to come back, and for good reasons. I asked her to bring you.
Uncle, tell her. Amaka, we were not quarreling. We were not.
Auntie, just stop pretending. Stop pretending. Because I know that from that day that I called the neighbors to come and save you because Francis was killing you, your hatred for me started. I know.
Amaka, what is wrong with you? You heard when your father said that he was the one who asked her to bring you back. Oginidu, she doesn't owe you any apology.
God knows I don't hate you. I don't have anything against you either.
But Juliana, who is this Francis that is beating? Is it beating?
It's killing. Papa, Francis is a man. Francis is a man and they are always committing sin. Every time they are doing bad thing, you hear Auntie Juliana shouting, baby, you are killing me, oh, you are killing me, oh, you are killing me, oh.
Please, Juliana, as you can see, it is raining. As you go, drive safe.
Thank you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.